Hey Tanya, it's Mary Elizabeth over at Tamron Honda. I've been selected as your Costco auto buying advisor here at Tamron Honda of Hoover. Thank you so much for your online inquiry and wanting to go through the Costco program. Now, the car that you inquired in on was the Honda Accord EX. I did pick one out for you. Want to make sure if you turn around and look at this and get a good view. Now, check this out. You'll have beautiful headlight redesign now. 17-inch alloyed aluminum wheels, breakaway mirrors. You even have Honda sensing down here on the front little bar there to make sure that you have adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, road departure mitigation, and even collision braking. Now, again, we mentioned those breakaway mirrors. That's just in case you need that extra space out to the side there, or even remembering that you do have remote start, power start, keyless entry on this one as well. Now, here's a short little thing of beauty. Everything's traced in chrome. You'll have an 8.1 inch touchscreen that gives you Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, depending on the phone you use. Everything will be accessible on the steering wheel for you. A Econ Drive mode, power electric parking brake, and brake hold, and plenty of space for your passengers in the back. Now, there's a whole lot more on this car, Tanya, that I cannot fit into the short video. So please give me a call right now. Let's schedule some VIP test time together. We can test it out, get an in-person tour, and make sure you love everything about it. And most importantly, make sure you like that Costco pricing. 205-519-1710. That's Mary Elizabeth. I'm here at Tamron Honda, where I guarantee you're going to love the way you're treated. Bye.